Hello, fellow woodcutters. Just got this DEWALT vacuum. It's a step up from the last one. This video I was going to just unbox it, set it up, see how it works, kind of give it a review and a test. We'll see how it goes. DCV501HB. And then this is it out of the box. Mesh bag, instructions, 4 different heads, and then the hose, extension wand, I guess, no battery. So I got a 4 amp hour battery on there and just the wand. There's some dog here. I actually really like this clip. I actually hang it on the wall with this clip. You could reverse it onto this side as well. Battery holds up pretty well on this thing. This is a 5 amp hour battery. It does have a HEPA filter, so there's really no airborne dust out of it. This locks that emptying part on right there. All in all, I actually like it a lot. It's a lot better than the last one I had. Let me see if I can find that one. There's the old one. This one really didn't do too well. It's the old 20-volt battery, and then I got the converter, and then I got an Amazon knockoff battery right there. This one, I think on Amazon's a whole lot less for a good reason. It just really doesn't work the way this one does. So I give this thing a great review. I like it a lot around the shop, around the house. Super light, really easy to use the full length vacuum extension as well as the brushes and the hose. Kind of get to anything. It's certainly not a full-size vac, but it works great. Cleaning it out is pretty easy. You just pull this filter out here and then empty the container right there. There's sawdust and the dog here. Here's a HEPA filter. You can replace this. I don't know how often you replace these, but you get a lot of use out of them and you just bang them out. And that's good to go again. DCV501H HEPA construction handheld vac. I give it great reviews. I love this thing. It's actually working out really well.